All right, so I did about 1,500 square feet of wood floors with the Orbot Vibe. Still have a few feet left at the entry. Wood is pretty scratched up, but you really can't see it in the videos, at least I don't think. It wasn't in too bad shape, a lot of hair. No clear coat missing, so that was good. And we're gonna go look at the carpet in a second. This was all VLM. The carpet was pad cap, and this was just misting neutral cleaner and using a microfiber bonnet. Some wood floors I have to use like the Floor Wash 5000 with CRB to really get the cracks, but this one wasn't too bad. All right, so I still have to clean this, but there's a room all groomed up. Wow, in the camera I can see spots, but you can't see them with the naked eye. Weird. Some of these spots may be a little damp still. Had to do some spotting in all of these, but by the time I'm done, it should be dry. I may go ahead and vacuum for them.